Yo, it's my birthday tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I don't know how people start their vlogs and they're so pumped. I feel like whenever I watch vlogs like that, I feel like my energy is on zero level. Like, just see people just come, whoa, what's up? Happy birthday to me. Tomorrow is my birthday, not today. Yeah, welcome guys. My name is Princess Minate. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Japan. Tomorrow is my birthday and today hubby is taking me to an hotel to just chillax. Oh my goodness, oh my god. I'm here to write down my itinerary, but I think I know everything I want to do offhand. Yeah, so when we get there, we start the birthday shenanigans. So please kindly watch until the end and don't skip my ads. Thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a nice comment. Wish me a happy birthday. My hair, I seriously feel like tying my hair. I don't know why. For some reason, I just feel like tying my hair. Do my hair or tight. I'm seeing myself in the mirror now and it's not looking good at all. Let me press it down. Yeah, so I'm thinking of either tying it or doing I don't know what it's called, but right now I want to iron. Then when I finish ironing, I start packing my bags. Yeah, we're going to the hotel this evening. I'll be this afternoon. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma do what I like. Yo, what's up YouTube? So this is the bag I'm going to be traveling with. It's just a 2-day. Yeah, today on Wednesday we are back. So it's just a 2-day something. Since it's just one night, I'm carrying just one night wear. The trouser and the dress, yeah, and this top for my early morning video. This is my birthday fit. Guys, my birthday clothing is so funny, like you see it. Oh my god, I'm just like a proper short girl on my birthday. Yeah. So I will be wearing this skirt this night. Even on my birthday is a skirt I'll be wearing. I'll be wearing this skirt this night and it's too rumpled, so we'll go and press it now. I just feel like carrying one trouser. Let me go along. I don't know when I'm going to wear, but let me just go along with it. So I'm going to have to choose from these jewelries. Yeah. I think I'm done packing for now. Let me go and iron what I need to iron. It's just a 1 day. Just sleep and wake up and wait though. Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah. Just a 1 day. So let's go. Okay. Like the green light, baby, bang bang. Eh? So this is love. Ooh. So this is what love feels like, Odyssey. So we're all set now. Yeah, let's go. Konnichiwa. I'm Masugu this. Yeah, so let's do the mini room tour. These are slippers and for waiting the call and say. So you have your TV, you have carry Wi-Fi and password. I just connected with toilet, brush your teeth here. Thank God I came with my own. I came with my everything. Look at my face. I came with my toothpaste, every other thing else. It's like they not even keep toothpaste safe. Nothing. I mean, is there something? It's not opening. It's not opening. Yeah, the way you come here, the bathroom. It's almost the same thing with my house. Yeah. This is the bathroom. Yeah, so we're just going to stay here for just one night. I'm going back home tomorrow so my husband can go to work. Yeah, so we'll be going out very soon from cinema to snooker. Cinema first. We're going to the cinema first, then from cinema we'll be going to play. I say snooker, bowling. We're going to play bowling, then come back and I rest, sleep and wake up for my birthday celebration tomorrow. Alright, watch out and see. So let's go to the cinema. Yay! I just came out from where I was watching Batman. I was not enjoying the movie at all. I was feeling sleepy, in fact. Yeah, so time for bowling now. I'm done with Batman. I'm done with the cinema. Yeah, let's go for bowling. Let's go. time to go and relax. Wish me happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
So, I've been searching for music. I did not see. So I'm going to use my mouth and sing happy birthday for myself. Happy birthday to you. Good morning, guys. Okay, yeah, it's right. Yeah, so I want to go for body massage now. Birthday shenanigans. Guys, you won't believe it. It's raining. Like it's raining seriously outside. Yeah. Don't mind my makeup. I want to go for massage and what else am I going to do? Okay, yeah, massage and my nails. I'm going to do my nails. Yeah, so today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. This one. This is my birthday present. My birthday present. Yay! I got some. I love this. Nice. Yay.
关键在力球，他这球还不错，3分，刚好超分。
Oh. See what rain is doing on my birthday. Oh my goodness. So this rain just decided to cut my birthday short. Oh my goodness. But no pohala, nothing spoil. Yeah, nothing spoil. So I had in mind to go to Odaiba to spend the day there, but then it's so cold outside. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for the love. I know you're going to wish me better. Wish me a happy birthday any day it comes out. Yeah, thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.